Hello guys, today we will discuss about the MPR login issue. Since MPR has been stopped by the Ministry of Rural Development, many PIs are facing the issues of not being able to find out their batch details, etc. in the MPR. So today we will look at how we can find out the existing batches in MPR through a different link. So first of all, we have to log into this website, kaushalpragati.nic.in. After we log in, we'll land in this page. As you can see the screen. Now in this screen, if you try to log in from here, we will not be able to log in because MPR is now no longer in use. So to find out your batch details and information regarding your batch and other batch related details, we have to go to a link here below. You can see targets, trainings, assessment. These tabs are here. So at the end you will have more information. Here in the more information link, we have to click it. Once we click in the more information link, this link will take us to a different page, which is a public dashboard. Once we click on that link, we will land on this page. As you can see, now there are many states here. So whatever state you belong to, whatever state your PIA is registered in, your center is there. You can directly click on any of those states. So say for example Assam. If your PIA is in the Assam state, please click the Assam link here, and then you will be taken to a different page. So once you click here in the Assam, you can scroll down. When you scroll down, you will see here project wise cumulative details. From project wise cumulative details, you can select your own PIA name. You can select your PIA name from here in this list, and accordingly you can if you want to check your batch information, batch details, you just go to project ID and click the project ID link for whatever PIA you are. Say whatever PIA can be clicked, and if you click that project ID, you will see that you will be taken to a page just below that with your center ID, the district of your PIA center, and other information like this. You will find the number of trained, placed, assessed candidates, and if you want to get more information, click here again at the training center ID. So you will get the details of the batch in your training center. So you have it here, batch wise details of your training center. So you can see whether the training center batch is inactive or active, how many candidates were trained, how many were dropped out, etc. You will find the details here. So this is how you will be able to extract the information from MPR without logging in through your IDs. MPR is not allowing the PIS to log in because MPR has been stopped now. So this is how you can look at the information about your own PIS. Thank you very much.